Hello everyone, my name is Walid and today we're hunting in Center Point. Now, this is a location that you guys have not seen. It's basically just a center point. Hello. So what I'm gonna want you guys like and subscribe, share the show with your friends, and let's see it. First up right off the bat, it said Mercedes-Benz AC CMG. This is a special type. I'm pretty excited. It's like a GK car, so never found it. I'm happy. See, what the heck? It's a weird fancy casting ghost type of car. I was gonna pick up. There we go. The Nissan Z Proto. Awesome. See what else there we have. I'm kind of excited. I found the Mercedes. It's so good. Nice. What else we have? There's a GT Scorcher. You know the best part of this place? They have a mix of new cars and old cars. So, see cars from like 2021, 2022, 2020, even some cars from 2017. And there's old cars from 2023, so don't think that they're old. Let's see what they also have. Track Manga. Hummer. Not bad. Not bad. I like the Hummer. Eric Steinrod. Here's like an example. Dropped something. Here's an Audi Quattro. What? It's a cool car. Whoops. Yeah. Drop the car. Make sure you pick up stuff you drop. When it drops, I gotta pick it up. Let's see. Wheelchair. Car. For some reason. Yeah, I'm pushing them so I don't get confused. Transport. Tooligan. French car. I don't know why the Tooligan TV look like this as an example. Here's a Porsche Taycan. Whoa. That car is crazy. It's good. It's good. Go here and Beetle. And what is that? A Mad Pop's treasure? What is that doing here? It's a DK's treasure hunt. Interesting. Wonderful. Let's see. A gasket. That's funny. There's a Honda. The Nash. Beetle. Glory Chaser. I have the red one, by the way. I wish I can find the Supra, the Glory Chaser, the Golf one. It's cool. Mazda. There's the same Z Proto. Sorry, it's Z Proto. Yeah. I'm trying to get like a good angle, show what cars they have. It's like, look, it's like 2022. Maverick. I'm going quick. Oh, wait a second. What is this? Oh, it's a Vantage GTE. That's awesome. Not bad. I like myself some Vantage GTEs. Yeah. Well, quick. I'm excited. I am full of, after a pretty long time. Something new from an actual case. I'm happy. So I think here's a Mazda 787B. That's cool. No details on the back though. Which kind of ruins it, but it's still a cool car. Nonetheless. I wonder if they have a Rimac. These three are cool. Yeah, look, there's a 507. I think they got a D case with that. I think they did a D case and the new case, which I think is H case because of that Audi. It's G or H, I'm not sure, but I definitely missed it. Maybe. I'll think about grabbing that Taycan. I probably might grab it. Yeah. There's a Mazda Cosmo. Move that Volvo out of here. Is it a Super? Mazda Cosmo? No, it's not. I already found a Super anyways. If you're not seeing one of the videos with the Super, gotta go check it out by the end of this one. So yeah. I see. Yeah, that's it. Might end up grabbing the Merce and the Taycan. So here we have the pullback cars. Yeah, this is in slow motion. I was flying through these. Just didn't want to show you. There's GT40s. I think all of them are there. Camaros, Mercedes, Vulcan, Bentley with a broken spoiler, Huracan, Silverados. There's a Miura. I'm kind of flying through these, so that's why you can see it's slow motion. Lots of Jeeps. Wow, lots of Jeeps. Yeah. So yeah, I'm grabbing this Merce. I'm super excited about it. Honestly, I'm super stoked. So yeah, go. So yeah, guys, right now, so today we're in the center point in Dera City Center. I saw on Facebook they've got a new stock, and yes, finally, new stock. Here's a Porsche Carrera 4S. Dude, I'm excited. Oh, I'm hyped. Oh, the hype. I don't know. Celerio GT, dude. I'm looking for that thing for a while. It's such an awesome fantasy casting. I know it's a fantasy, but it's awesome. What else? There's a Repu, and hey, is that a shoe? Is that a Supra? Hey, it's an 82 Supra. It was the 80s. What is that case? I don't know what seems to be Glory Chasers. Is that no? It's not a Super. The Super is more is Spectre Flame. Yeah, I'm just gonna put that up here there. Dodge, pop a wheelie, and what is that? It's a Corvette Stingray. That's cool. I heard this thing has a feature where you could like add a light or something, a light bulb, and it shines. I don't know if this one though. It's a Barbie Corvette. Honestly, I like the Corvette. Like I said, I'm not planning on seeing the Barbie movie. And that's an Ulsangu de Coupe. I have the silver one, but this one is just too good to not miss out on. Like I want to buy it. There's a Avija. What else? Let me just get a good angle. Another vet. There's a Z Proto. Here's an Avija. I don't think it's a super. I think I missed a super. Whatever. And there's a Honda 787. A Honda Cafe. Let's just say that. And hey, Pajero. Mitsubishi Pajero Evolution. I don't know what type, but I like that Pajero. Oops. This is by the way, I'm adding here is my pile for the cars I want to buy. Here's a GTX, Pontiac, and a Porsche. Dude, I love that Porsche. The gold rims, the red and the black livery. Here's a Pontiac Firebird. I dropped the Porsche, and this is a Jeep One Gear. I don't know how to still say it. I love that black on it. It's good. It's good. Well, what else? A Bel Air Gasser. What? That's cool. Here's another Gasser. There's two Gassers, and that's a GT500. Is it a super? Looks all shiny. Not a super. Oh, here's the back details, by the way. This thing's not barely even detailed. Still a cool car, though. Set that aside. See what else? Mod Speeder, Mach E, Yenamag, another Osangudu, and that is is that the Chevy Silverado from Hot Wheels Slammed. Man, we can talk about slammed to the ground. It is. Whoops, I'm getting too excited. I'm dropping cars. No. Look, maybe we'll just see what else. Yeah, they slapped some of the old cars. Ooh, Benfica Batista in the white. That's cool. That's awesome. I like it. More tuned. This is just a bunch of old stuff remaining. There's some new cars, but mostly old. Here's a Sierra Crossworth. Dude, that looks cool. It's awesome. More Porsches. Yeah, that's probably what I'm gonna be getting. I'm gonna go to the other side just to look cars again. More wow, jelly cars. Another Pajero, another truck. What is that? Here's an Audi R6 Avant. Ooh, awesome. Audi R6 Avant. Okay, I think. Oh, here's a Dodge Power Wagon. Wow, that was quick. Yeah, pretty cool car. Power Wagons. Another Shelby GT500, not a super. This is the second one, so they probably got two cases, or it's just the case has the one. Ooh, custom Camaro. I love the white and blue. There's the one from like the C case or the B case. I don't know. Got a C case, blue and white. My father's dream car is a Challenger. He likes Challengers, okay? Here's a BMW 507 in red. Yeah, I think this one might be getting. Okay, so let me just dropped. And let me just start. Oh, I dropped the whole pile. Oh boy. Yeah, let's see. So this is what I'm gonna be getting. Let's go. So before I left, I looked through it and there was a gas monkey. What? That's fun. So yeah, right. So right now we're walking to Baby Shop at City Center. I wonder if they have a new stock. Okay, they do. So right off the bat, I see a GT 500. So not a super. And there's an what is this? An i8 Roadster, dude. This one's cool. It's an HK/KK stock. I will pop a wheelie. Lamborghini Cyan FK P37. That's cool. There's a tuned charger. Oh, this is funny. And there's a Barbie Corvette. Okay, whoops. Fast Feline. That's what I dropped. And right off the bat, Jaguar I-Pace Trophy. Oh, such a big fan of that one too. I like it. I wonder, Solero GT, Supra. What else do they have? To induction. There's a bunch of leftovers too, by the way, because barely anybody buys. Yeah. But still, I like the store. They get some. They get some stuff. There's still the blue Silverado. Wow. What else? That's what's that Batman balloon here? It's from 2021. What the? So you have 2021. What is that doing here? That's that color is cool. It's on the R. Oh, think about that one. It's cool. There's a Ford Torino. It's a Ford Ranchero V. So there's a Fiat 500e. Okay, we know the first video we saw that with like the NHRA NASCAR. Remember the first video that I made on the channel? That. So these two I'm probably gonna be grabbing. Let's just look more. Porsche, Audi, Maserati, Dodge. Yeah, what is this? And that's a cool combi. And yeah. If anybody wants a cool combi, come get it. Here's another Barbie Corvette, okay. And a Honda Civic Custom. Whoa. Yeah, so first up there's a CRX here. No details on the front. But there's details on the back, which, yeah. What else do we have? We also have here a Pilot Pacifica. This is a green one. Details. No details on the front or the back. Come on. Cool combi. I don't know why there's not any details on the front. Got a Martin Debbie. This one is a golden black. There's a Civic Custom. Such a cool car. I love that livery. There's an Audi R6 Avant. So cool. I have the blue one though, so yeah. There's a Dodge Challenger. Okay. Well, this is a Ford Ranchero V. It has a trunk there. I like how it's like pickup with a small trunk. Here's a Mustang SVO. That's cool. The rims on it not the best, but they're cool. And there's a goofy Dodge Charger. Yes. Charger, I should be honest. It's a Cyan. I might be grabbing these three. I don't know. I'll think about it. Grabbing these. So I grabbed the Cyan. These four are cool. I'm gonna go pay. So yeah, guys, that's all I have for today. Now, before I leave, I want you guys to like and subscribe and share this channel with your friends. We might do a reviewing for the whole, and we'll see you next time, everyone. Bye bye.